In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Colossyan free trial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your remaining minutes and how to keep track of them so you can make the most of your trial without surprises. First, log into Colossyan. Open your browser, head to the Colossyan website, and sign into your account. Logging in is important because your free trial minutes are tied to your profile, and you'll only see accurate usage information once you're in your own dashboard. After a moment, you'll land on the main workspace. If you were already signed in, you'll go straight there automatically. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a sidebar that includes your account area and project navigation. In that left panel, you'll see a clear indicator of your remaining minutes. It may appear as a number, a label like minutes or usage, and sometimes a small progress bar that fills as you consume time. This is the official counter for your free trial. Think of it as your budget for generating content inside the platform. A quick note on what those minutes actually mean. Colossyan tracks the time you use to generate or render content. As you produce assets inside the platform, those actions deduct from your trial allotment. The minutes shown on the left update to reflect what you've used and what you still have available. If you've just completed a render and the number hasn't changed yet, give the page a moment or refresh the view and it should sync. Use this left side counter to monitor your usage throughout your free trial. Before you start working, take a quick look at the remaining minutes so you know what you can accomplish in your current session. Check again after your tasks complete to see how much time was consumed. This habit helps you pace your work and avoid running out of minutes unexpectedly. If you're planning a busy day, keep an eye on that number so you can prioritize what matters most while you still have time left. If the sidebar is collapsed or your window is very narrow, expand the panel or widen your browser so the usage display is fully visible. That's it. Log in, look to the left for your remaining minutes, and rely on that counter to track your free trial usage as you work. With these simple steps, you'll stay informed and get the most out of your time in Colossyan.